So in this video, I'm gonna put together the Radiant Health Eco Mini Sauna. So this is a little unusual. I'm thinking that I'm gonna unbox this out here. I'm not used to this thing being packaged this well, or at least crated up. I think the shipping companies have been really rough. So I'm gonna open this up outside and then carry the pieces in individually, I think. And for the regular subscribers who know I ride, just picked up this bad boy secondhand, but new to me, do a little mountain riding. Of course, when it's not 70 degrees and t-shirt weather the day before and all the snow melts, I think it's gonna be an early spring. All right. Oh, very nice, very nice. Let's get the pieces inside. Probably not manufacturer approved, folks. Now, this is not the first time you guys have seen me do sauna installs on the channel, so we'll probably do a quick time lapse of some of this install. This is gonna be my first time trying an infrared sauna that's supposed to go to 200 degrees though. So I'm really looking forward to getting this together, getting it fired up. Let's get started. Ooh, 200, it's 65 in here. 200 mother degrees. God dog. Wow. And we got red lights. 200. And let's see how long it takes to get to 200. And it is now 6:19. We will check back in 20 minutes and see where we are with the temperature. It's only been on for 12 minutes, only at 92. Feels warm. Probably not the best, I should repeat this heat up test when I actually have the heat on, because ambient temp in here in the office is a little chilly. So if this was at 70 degrees, usually they perform, like this bigger guy is a 20 amp sauna. Usually they perform they heat up a little quicker than this, especially the mini. But this is first test, so I don't know. I'm gonna let it run and see what it does.